Guys, I think this is one of the most anticipated na phone dito sa channel ko, no? And one of the most requested, no? So, medyo nahuli lang ako nakabili nito, no? Since laging no stock. Ang sinasabi ko is the all-new Cherry Mobile Aqua S10 Pro. And of course, na-wow naman tayo sa Aqua S9, no? So, tinay din natin, no? Kung okay nga ba talaga to? Would it succeed the S9? Tara, open muna natin. Cherry Mobile Aqua S10 Pro. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So hawak na natin and na-unbox na natin ang Cherry Mobile Aqua S10 Pro. And nakita natin, no, it's a all-new design. Medyo naiba na siya sa Aqua S9, no. Ibang-iba ang design niya. But one thing na napansin ko, no, medyo parang, well, 2020 na, hello, 2021 na. And well, incoming ng 2022. And nandito pa sa likod ang kanyang fingerprint scanner. Normally mga bago, no, is nandito na sa side fingerprint scanner / power button, no. Medyo hindi na kasi nakakasanay mag-ganon, no, as compared sa ganon. Of course, yun ang isa na napansin ko dito sa S10 Pro, no. So, of course, syempre, you won't expect too much since ang price nito, guys, sabihin ko na muna sa inyo para ma-wow kayo, no, it's just 7,999, no. It's already available sa mga Cherry Mobile kiosk, sa kanilang Shopee account and sa kanilang Lazada. I'll pop it on the description box below, no, guys, and please check it out. Then of course, itong phone na ito is supported with the MediaTek Helio G90. So alam natin ang G90 is not such a bad processor. Okay siya for gaming, no. Tinry naman natin to for ilang weeks na sa atin, no, kaya medyo na delays. Ang kanyang performance is not bad. Multitasking, browsing, and a little bit of gaming, oh. So itatalakayin natin isa-isa to, no. So, first up, check muna natin ang kanyang benchmarks. So, since itong phone na ito, naka MediaTek Helio G90 na, then 6GB of RAM, LPDDR4X, And kanya UFS do is 2.1 with 120 gigs of storage. So I was expecting yung score niya sa Antutu benchmark is somewhere near 400, no? Well, hindi naman ako na-dismay. Nakakuha siya ng roughly near 400, 351,000 points, no? Which is for me, for yung ganong presyo, 7,999, nakakuha ka ng ganong score. Aba, this is something. Then, tinignan din natin ang kanya i2 benchmark, no? 100,000 points. So, how can we forget, no? Na i-check agad na 3D mark na benchmarking, no? For gaming, no? Nakakuha siya ng 1,513 points, no? Which is not bad, no? Average, no? Na gaming score, gaming processor na score sa G90. So, tinignan din natin ang kanyang wideband security level, no? Well, hindi ako nag-expect ng level 1. True enough, level 3 nga siya. So, itong phone na ito, no? Meron siyang 6.67 HD Plus na display, IPS LCD, no? So, tinry naman natin siya under the direct sunlight. Hindi lang ako sure kung ilang nits siya, no? Medyo hindi siya super bright, pero indoors naman, okay naman siya, no? I was able to enjoy watching some movies, Netflix, YouTube, then of course, browsing. Okay naman, wala maging problema dito, no? And speaking of brightness, no? Naglaro muna tayo ng gaming. So I was trying to check yung Call of Duty, kung ano ang settings meron niya. I was blown away with the settings. Tingnan mo tong settings, guys. Not bad, di ba? It was somewhere medyo mataas na settings. Yeah, near high, pero hindi super high na setting. Pero pwede na, no? For 7,999, you get that settings. So nilaro natin Call of Duty Mobile dito sa Cherry Mobile Aqua S10 Pro. I was able to enjoy yung game, no? Hindi ko naman masasabi na wala siyang frame drops. Meron, hindi lang sobrang halata. There are sometimes na may kunting lags din siya. Of course, syempre, ang ginawa ko is nilower down ko kunting settings para ma-eliminate yung mga lags niya, no? Then at the same time, ang smooth siya, no? Hindi siya yung sobrang wow na parang flagship level na performance sa gaming. Pero for that price, guys, masasabi ko sa'yo, 7,999 and you get this kind of gaming, I am really blown away with itong gaming performance, no, dito sa phone na ito. So guys, yung yung game na Call of Duty, I was able to enjoy, no. Masasabi ko sa'yo, touch response is very fast naman. Hindi naman ako naiiwan, no, kasi there are some phones na medyo cheaper quality. Pag naglalaro ka ng mga games, no, medyo feel parang hindi masyado responsive ang screen niya, no. And take note, guys, na itong phone na ito has a 10-point multi-touch as check ko dito, no, sa Antutu na multi-touch test, no. And huwag kayo basta-basta maniniwala sa ibang top tech vloggers na nagsabi na 3-point multi-touch lang itong si Cherry Mobile Aqua S10 Pro. Ito, 10-point multi-touch dito sa harapan ninyo. So pag-usapan natin kunti ang kanyang camera dito, no. So nabasa ko, no, somewhere na 108 MP ang kanyang camera. Pero hindi, ang camera nito, ang main lens niya is 48 MP na aperture 1.8, no, na kaya na mag-pixel binding up to 108 MP. Now, meron din siyang supporting cast, no, 3 pang supporting cast, 5 MP na ultra wide lens, 2 MP na depth sensor, and 2 MP na macro lens, together with a 16 MP na front selfie shooter. Now, tinay natin ang camera nito. Tara, tingnan natin performance. Okay guys, ito ang verdict ko, no. Tinry natin to sa outdoor shot, low light shot, indoor. Grabe masasabi ko sa inyo, guys. I was really blown away with the performance of this camera, no. Hindi ako nag-expect na sobrang taas kasi 7,999 ang camera. So, okay. Pero yung performance niya, guys, it was able to take in some really nice crisp shots na yung akala mo makukuha ng mga likes ng Xiaomi na Redmi Note 10 Pro, yung mga phones na sub 14,000, no? Nandito, half the price, Pero performance ng kanyang camera is almost the same. Hindi ko sinasabi same, pero almost. Andyan na eh. Almost the same kanyang performance. Grabe. You should try to check yung camera shots dito, no? Now, tingnan muna natin ilang selfie shots. To my surprise, no, guys, yung kanyang 16MP na camera is also a performer. Imagine, low light, medyo madilim dito sa mga places na pinuntahan ko, no, inside mga coffee shop, inside na mga restaurant. And yung yellow bulb lang siya, incandescent. Hindi pa siya LED na bulb, no. Nakita mo, guys, it was able to give you yung shot na parang dramatic na shot. And what more can I say? Grabe. Was really blown away with sa camera na ito. Walang biro. Oh guys, itong phone nito has 3 card tray support. 2 nano SIM plus isang micro SD card which can support up to 256 GB of storage expansion dito sa phone na ito. But of course, take note that this phone is not yet 5G ready. Ang support nito is LTE plus voice over LTE or VoLTE. VoLTE. Support yan. So dito SIM niyo, pwede pang tawag, pwede pang surf. Napag-usapan natin konti about yung battery nito, no? 5,000 mAh of battery. And masasabi ko, so hindi siya ganun kabigatan, no? And surprising, meron siyang 30 watts of fast charging. Take note, madalang ang mga sa Cherry Mobile na may 30 watts ba? That is something, no? Na tinry naman natin dito i-charge from 17 to 100. Inabot tayo ng roughly an hour and a half para makompleto, no? Which is not so bad na, no? Kasi normally, pag mga predecessor ng mga Cherry Mobile, it charges at around 2 hours plus para mapuo. Ito, 1 kalating oras, puno na, not bad na. So, chinek din natin yung endurance itong battery nito. 8 hours and 36 minutes, no, dito sa BC Mark na battery stress test. And tinry naman natin, no, since nakahalos 2 linggo na sa akin to, nilaro ko naman siya, ginamit ko naman siya as my daily driver, and I was able to last for almost a day. Take work of the note, almost, kasi on normal usage naman, nag-start ako sa umaga 8 o'clock, then nagtapos ng araw ko mga 7 o'clock in the afternoon. Meron pa siguro at least mga 15% ng battery na natitira dito. Ano ba ginawa ko? Facebook, YouTube, kunting games, then tawag, and basically that's it. Social media, browse lang, posting, and of course, most of the time naka-mobile data ako, hindi ako naka-Wi-Fi. So, pwede na. So guys, it's time for me to share my verdict of the Cherry Mobile Aqua S10 Pro, no? Masasabi ko sa inyo guys na itong phone na ito definitely sulit. 7,999, tapos kung makakatch pa kayo ng sale sa 11,11, 12,12, I'm sure na meron mga promotional price, okay? So, siyempre, abangan nyo lang. Of course, don't forget to check the description box below for the official links na ilalagay ko. I'm sure time to time magkakaroon siya ng mga promo, okay? Lalo magpapasko na. Sigurado meron yan, okay? So, overall, masasabi ko siya, I'm very pleased, no, dito sa phone na ito. Performance-wise, sa multitasking, walang problema. Watching videos, though hindi lang siya ganun katingkad under the bright sunlight. Well, for that price, hindi na ako nagko-complain. Sa gaming, not bad. Kaya na mag-high settings. Though, medyo may kunting frame drops, but okay na. Fourth, yung camera. Dito ako nabilib sa camera niya. Na-blown away ako talaga guys sa kanyang camera. Was able to take some really nice shots, no? Na could only be attained sa mga phones na roughly mga 13, 14, 15,000 na price range, no, na phone. But na-attain ko siya dito sa 7,999 na phone, no? Half the price, same performance sa kanyang camera. Well, saan ka pa? And the only downside na masasabi ko sa inyo is andito pa ang kanyang fingerprint scanner. Well, other than that, wala namang masyado nakitang downside, no? And of course, ang kanyang touch is 10-finger touch, hindi 3-finger touch. Siyempre, it's an industry standard. So guys, kayo, anong tingin niyo dito sa phone na ito, ang Cherry Mobile Aqua S10 Pro? Drop it on the comment section below. Let me know. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?